Hey YouTubers, Mama T here. Rainy Friday. Pool's still not filled. We gotta get a part for the plug. Just heads up. This is what your children, my children, are supposed to be doing. Yeah, they do videos so much time a day. My kids are out riding bicycles and playing with toys. Aren't you? How many subscribers I need, Alex? Alex, Noah, come here and tell me how many subscribers I need.
52.
How many?
No. 52. No.
I need 52. Oh, I'm past 50 already. Woohoo! I got 50 YouTube subscribers. I'm so damn excited. Woo!
No, you need actually, let me check again. It may be more.
Okay. How many I need, Alex?
200.
200 subscribers? How many more toys you need? How many more toys you need, Alex?
I don't think this one can go fast.
You what? You don't think what, Alex?
I didn't think this one can go fast.
Yeah.
But watch it. See, if you hold this down, watch
Yeah.
this.
Somebody tracked in some gum all over their shoes, didn't they? Can't hurt this damn place, though. So what?
So, if you hold this down.
Yeah, you have 51, you need 52.
I need 52 subscribers. I finally made it over the 50 mark. We're going to have to get a 5-0 balloon. 5-0 go balloons, YouTube balloons. Huh?
So, if you get 100 subscribers and 100 likes, you'll get a play button.
Oh, Mama, do you know how many views that video has now?
I'll get a play bunny?
No, a play button.
A play button?
Yeah.
Oh, you want... Okay, guys. You guys have to like, share, and subscribe. You heard my baby, Alex. He wants Mama T to have a play button. Whatever that is.
It's a silver. It can
Never
be
mind.
a gold.
It only has 907. 907 views, that's all.
907 views.
That's okay. I'll take 907 views.
That's
It
a
only-
lot.
Okay.
It only went up 3.
Huh?
Oh my god.
4, 5, 6.
It only what?
It only went up 3.
Only went up 3?
3 views.
I'll take it.
Hey mom, watch it.
What?
If I do it too fast, it will like fly off.
Oh my goodness gracious.
But it does have 26 likes.
It has what?
26 likes.
Okay, that's good. 26 likes. We'll take them too.
Watch this. Watch it.
Uh-huh.
If I do it too fast, that will happen.
Oh my goodness.
See this car?
Yeah, I see it.
It doesn't
Have
go
you,
fast.
have you got any comments or
I don't know, baby. I hadn't had time. I've been trying to worry about the pool and the fence and the getting these returns back.
Okay, look.
I could do it.
How long is this video going to be?
I don't know how long you want this video to be. Huh?
3 minutes.
Boy, my allergies are up from being outside.
Watch this. The bus
What?
will hit the shark's head.
Okay, I'm watching. Oh, poor Sharky. Do-do-do-do.
Look.
Mama shark, do-do-do-do. Daddy shark, do-do-do. You just popped Daddy Shark in the head with the truck. Do-do-do-do-do-do.
No, it's not a truck.
What was it?
It's a bus.
Okay. Daddy Shark just got popped. Is that Mama Shark or Daddy Shark?
It's
Do-do-do-do-do-do.
Mama Shark. No, it's actually Daddy Shark.
Better not be Mama Shark getting popped in the head with no car. Us mamas have a rough time, especially us single mothers.
He got hit right in the tooth. But guess what?
What?
Sharks' tooth can grow back.
I know.
It just got hit.
Both of my buzz cut videos have 40 views.
All right.
40, 40, 96, and 78.
All right. You go, Noah. You rock the boat, baby.
Look, I got purple.
Huh.
Not your purple.
Okay.
Oh my god. I didn't know it could go fast. Look.
Hey, what does them guys at your work say?
No.
What do they say?
No.
Just do it.
No, I'm not gonna do it.
Tell me what you told me earlier when we was watching TV in my bed. What'd you say?
I'm not gonna.
You said at my daddy's work, those workers go, oh, oh. Is that what they say? Or they say, ho, oh, ho. That's exactly how you said it. You said, Mama, those guys that work with my daddy, they say, ho, oh, ho. Okay. That means they can't lift nothing. They weaklings. They a bunch of weak ass men. Okay, no, get on my phone. You didn't say it. I said it. I wanted you just. We was laying there watching TV, and you randomly said that to me. I had to text your daddy to see what the heck them guys saying oh ho for. I was about to get mad now. My baby repeating any such.
Look.
But the guy picked up part of air conditioner and.
The robbery video, it has 514 views. Not the first
Okay.
ever one that you posted.
Right. Okay, guys, so my Walmart returns. Do not buy this TV refurbished. They sent it, plugged it in.
And it broke.
It was, what this TV did when you plugged it in, Noah, had a bunch of lines in it.
Yeah, it's like turn it on, it has a bunch of lines. It doesn't work.
Bunch of lines. And, yeah, and they don't want to, $248 or something. They don't want to refund my money.
Hey, Mom, what's this?
Sorry, but FedEx
Oh
is
my
the one
God.
that delivered it.
It went in the shoe.
How you gonna sell me a darn TV and FedEx break it and you not take it back, Walmart? Only in Mama T's world.
Stop.
I'm fixing to load this sucker up and march right in that store because Mama T don't play.
It
I have had it.
didn't Noah.
What are y'all doing? What is you doing?
Noah.
The race is on and what? Anybody know that country song? Tell me the rest of the words. The race is on and what else? Is that song?
Noah. You want to know something? Take that. Ha ha.
Be careful, Noah, the roof's still reeking there. When that one falls, it's going to take the floor through this time. Oh, gosh. It's raining again.
Noah.
It's supposed to go like that.
Okay, guys. I got this TV back to Walmart. The money in the bank.
That one doesn't
Find a
fit.
pool plug. These boys are wanting to swim.
See?
Plug is messed up. It wasn't good anyway.
Noah, stop putting all the cards.
Yeah.
Definitely.
You guys don't box toys up for charity when kids are awake because you know what they do?
Noah, stop putting all the
They get them right back out. Yeah, honey, he found them. I used to when my oldest Joey was little. I got my black garbage bags out, but only when he went to sleep. Then he would get up and ask where his toys were. I said, well, they in your closet. Santa Claus must have took them because he's going to bring you some more real soon, some better ones.
No.
Not this generation.
See, it doesn't work.
Look at Alex. Look,
Noah, it doesn't
look,
work.
see all these? He done found them, got into them.
Noah, look. Let me show you.
He ain't letting Noah play with it, let alone the good week. The kids' charity.
No. Noah. See.
I thought there was some.
Somebody better be scraping that gum off my floor. I told y'all I wasn't allowed to have gum in here no more. I don't know hurt these floors. The darn rain leaking in from the roof has killed them. You got that out of the box too? What is that thing called? What's that called, Allie Allie? A Paw Patrol airplane or something? Huh?
It's the
What is it?
Little Einstein ship.
This, the big airplane jet?
No,
No.
Noah.
It's
What is it? Is that a Paw Patrol airplane, Alex?
I think it's the Paw Patrol airplane.
Yes, it is, Noah, you dummy.
Yeah, but it could be the Little Einstein ship.
Well, listen, let me tell you something. If you don't share some of these toys with the Goodwill, Santa Claus ain't gonna bring you nothing different.
No, you realize?
That's Goodwill ain't getting these anytime soon. What's this?
Oh, that's a shoe.
No, what's this black thing right here? What's it full of? Cars?
Yeah.
Car hauler? Well, you
It
just,
used to be mine.
well, Noah, you just totaled that car.
The reason it's
I know, Noah, you're very generous with your toys, baby. Unlike others in the house that find the charity box full of toys that were going out the front door Monday.
I didn't know that.
Oh, goodness, Alex, that was a good flip on Daddy Shark. Do-do-do-do. Okay, only Mama T's World. Like, share, subscribe. Close it out, Noah.
We already got 52, Noah.
No.
Okay, Noah. Alex, no, you close it out.
I have.
Hey, how many, Alex? How many subscribers I need, Alex? Close it out.
I don't know.
50, 100?
Yeah.
Yeah. Love you guys. Mama T's World. A rainy Friday afternoon. I hope it stops for all of you kids and everybody ready to supports. Celebrate the 4th. I'll get it out in a minute. I am absolutely exhausted. Man, oh man. Tired. That pool's killed me. Bye. Love you guys.
Oh, look, this one can still go. It can still go backward. Look. See, Noah.
He's mad because he's mad because he found me getting rid of his toys.